Hello, in this video I'm going to show you this very simple jade plant in crochet, and this is very easy to make. You will need a chenille in larger 5mm, longer 30cm. Okay, and fold the chenille because later we will insert this chenille inside the stem. I'm using olive color yarn. So when you're ready, then let's go for the stem tutorial. Do a magic ring. Chain. And then 4 single crochet inside the ring. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then pull the tail, single crochet in the first chain, and then increase in the next chain. And then single crochet in the next chain, then in the next increase. So now you will have 6 stitches or 6 single crochet stitch, and then you will need to repeat single crochet spiral around and flip this one. Just do a single crochet spiral until you will have this length. Then now you can insert the chenille inside. Now let's make the leaf. Make a slip knot. Then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chain. And then single crochet in the back chain. You see this back bump chain here? Do a single crochet on that second chain from the hook, and then half double crochet in the next, then double crochet in the next, half double crochet in the next, and then single crochet in the last chain. And do a slip stitch on that same where you did the single crochet, slip stitch. Then do in the mirror side of the chain in the front loop here, single crochet, then half double crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and then single crochet in the last. After, do a slip stitch in the center. Slip stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Then you can cut the yarn and make this in total of 12 big leaf like this. Then now let's do the small leaf. Make a slip knot, then chain 4, half double crochet, second chain from the hook at the back, and then double crochet in the next and single crochet in the last. Then repeat on the mirror side on the chain on the front loop here, single crochet, double crochet, and then half double crochet, and then slip stitch in the center chain. 1, and here 2, 3, and 4. Then cut the yarn, and you will need to make a small leaf in 6 in total. Once you have all this, then let's sew the leaf on the stem. Then you will need a darning needle. Insert here the tail, then also insert the other tail. Here, and then tie the tails twice. Okay, and then slip through the yarn on the other hole, and then after you can cut the yarn. Then you will do the same on the other side like this, and tie the tail. And then slip through the extra tail, and then you can cut the yarn, and do that to all of the small leaf first, and then after you can add the bigger leaf on the under of the stem. So now we finished the small leaf. We've attached the small leaf. It's like this. Then after you can add the bigger leaf here.